Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the language on the Shein app. Let's begin. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. You will land on the shopping section. Now, tap on the Me tab located at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. In the settings menu, find and tap on the language option. Here, you will see 3 built-in languages: English, Portuguese, and Espanol. Choose any one of them by simply tapping on it. If you want more language options, select Follow the phone system. This setting allows the app to match your device's system language. However, keep in mind that this feature is currently in beta and may not work perfectly on all devices. For this tutorial, we'll choose Portuguese. Tap on it once. The Shein app will automatically restart to apply the new language settings. After restarting, you'll see the app interface in the selected language. That's how you can easily change the language in the Shein app by using the available options. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.